Meet the Avoidabot, a compact, intelligent obstacles avoidance robot. It's designed to autonomously navigate its environment using an ultrasonic sensor. When the ultrasonic sensor detects an obstacle within 15 centimeters, the Avoidabot springs into action. It quickly calculates a new path, repositions itself, and continues on its journey. This seamless movement is achieved by integrating sensors, actuators, and microcontroller programming, key elements in robotics. Avoidabot showcases the fundamental concept of obstacle avoidance, a skill critical for self-driving cars, drones, and more. Small but smart. The Avoidabot is a stepping stone in exploring the exciting world of robotics.
First, we have the Robot Chassis, a sturdy black base with multiple mounting holes for components. The robot moves using the 4 yellow wheels powered by 2 DC motors, which are controlled by a motor driver module. At its core is the Arduino-compatible board acting as the robot's brain, supported by a sensor shield for easy sensor connection. For obstacles detection, we use an ultrasonic sensor module helping the robot navigate safely. The power supply module, a battery holder, ensures smooth operation. To tie it all together, we have stand-ups, screw, jumper wires, and a USB cable for programming. A caster wheel provides balance while moving.
We then proceed to assembling the robot. First, install the necessary copper columns, screws, and nuts. We then attach the bull's-eye wheel onto the underside of the body frame. Next, we assemble the battery case which will serve as the robot's power source. Then, install the 2 DC motors on the underside of the body frame, specifically on either side of the bull's-eye wheel. Next is attaching the 2 wheels onto the 2 DC motors firmly. The final physical component we install is the ultrasonic sensor at the front. This will serve as the eyes of the robot. We then install the necessary modules, the main board, the expansion board, and the driver module. Next, we make the necessary connections, the DC motors connected to the driver module, which is then connected to the main board through the connection with the expansion board. The ultrasonic sensor, on the other hand, is connected independently. It is connected to the main board through a separate part of the expansion board. Now, using the application of Arduino IDE, we encode the necessary coding and upload it to the main board using a USB-C port cable. We now run the experiment tests to see the functionalities of the robot.
During the testing phase, obstacles were placed at varying distances to evaluate the robot ultrasonic sensor. The robot consistently detected obstacles within a range of 15 centimeters. These demonstrate the sensor's accuracy and the effectiveness of programmed logic. In our experiments, we explored different conditions. The ultrasonic sensor performed well in measuring distances, but uneven surfaces introduced minor challenges. Adjustments to the motor speed and delay settings were made to improve accuracy in repositioning. Additionally, optimizing the sensor's polling rate reduced detection delays in complex scenarios. In conclusion, the Avoidabot demonstrates reliable obstacle avoidance through the integration of sensors, actuators, and microcontroller programming. These experiments highlight the importance of fine-tuning both hardware and software to achieve precise autonomous navigation, a successful demonstration of robotics in action.